The biggest financial reporting shakeup in 20 years is here. IFRS 18 replaces IAS 1, and your 2026 comparatives are closer than you think. Struggling with income statement overalls? Confused with MPM disclosures? Aggregation rules keeping you up at night? Discover how to simplify compliance with Oracle EPM. Join us for a live webinar on the 19th of August at 11 a.m. Singapore time with Sauting Kok, Oracle's EPM Cloud Competency Lead, Dipin Shah, Head of EPM Practice at InspireXT, and myself, Kirti Pathania, Regional Director at InspireXT. In 60 minutes, you learn how to automate IFRS 18 income statements using Oracle EPM, build investor-ready MPM disclosures, and future-proof your data architecture. Don't navigate this alone. Reserve your spot for the IFRS 18 webinar from Insight to Implementation on Tuesday, 19th of August at 11 a.m. Singapore time. First 50 registrants get our IFRS 18 readiness checklist free of cost.